Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the MagSafe charger from Apple. This is compatible with the new iPhone 12 Pro. So, this box does look a little bit thin to have both a charging puck and a thing to plug the puck into. I mean, right? In here we have a little manual, and warranty summary, and more gibberish, safety and handling, blah, 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 blah. Regulations designed by Apple in California, but made in China. So, that's interesting. It doesn't come with anything to plug the USB-C into. Surely there must be some kind of thing that every iPhone and iPad came with for the last 400 years that I can plug it into, am I right? Am I right? I mean, after all, this thing did cost $39. That said, it's thin, it's pretty, and it's pretty quintessential Apple. Oh well, maybe the iPhone 13 will come with one that can work with it. That said, it does do a pretty good job at magnetically clicking to the phone. It's pretty secure on there. Although when it's lying flat, it's still not as easy as I would like. I don't know.